Hi, ZMEIROS here. Right now I'm turning this brush washer into an end cap. Yes, I already do this. I need it for uncommon project. Salad I shoot Dragon 1.
Made from completely off-the-shelf materials.
Yeah, I'm using this soldering and soldering iron. Yes, for doing this cup end. You can see it fits of pipe. Look, it's clean connection. Let's get to work here.
Now I'm trying to grab the part. I. It's hot. But here we go. I forgot it. This is the brush washer with solder. And here's the second piece, a copper plate. Use as a plug. Now I will show you how to make it. Take a copper plate. I make a cut. Grab pliers and cut off a piece. Done. It didn't come out round, it's more like a rectangle. Now the piece needs to be shaped into a circle. I start hammering it, making it thinner. After a couple of minutes and some trimming, this is what we get. This is my solder. Now I take a soldering iron. Yeah, the process is not fast. I place the piece into the hole, but in such a way that it doesn't fall inside. Done. Temperature 810 Fahrenheit. I take the flux. Before soldering, I coat the whole piece with flux. As you can see, I'm trying to fit the part into the hole. But it's not simple. And I start soldering. The process is slow, but it goes.
Да.
Yeah, it takes a long time to heat up. The piece falls through, doesn't solder, but I don't give up. Yeah, and now it's finished. Here's the super joint we got. Let's go to check it. Work or no? I also solder it inside. Then I take a nail and scrape off the burnt residue, like this. Now I screw the hot piece onto the copper pipe. As you can see, it holds perfectly and very strong. Very good connection. We are going to the final.
Alright, we got a really good joint. Look. One here. One here. That was ZMEIROS. Subscribe and hit a like. Bye.